Union Home Secretary of India, Govind Mohan, has called a meeting regarding civil defense today to accelerate preparation of civil defense in 244 districts in the country. Chief secretaries and heads of all civil defense from across the country will participate in the meeting via video conferencing, which is slated to begin any minute now. Meanwhile, the Union Home Secretary has arrived at the Ministry of Home Affairs. So that's the latest that's coming in at this point of time. When we're talking about the meeting that is set to take place, it will start any moment now. And this comes just right after we have seen yesterday Ministry of Home Affairs gave a couple of advisories and measures in terms of the pan-India mock drills that are set to take place tomorrow, that is May 7. And currently what we're getting to know is there's going to be a meeting. The Union Home Secretary has arrived at the MHA office. We are being joined by my colleague Pia Man, joining us on the telecast. Pia, what exactly are the details that are coming in terms of this meeting that is set to take place? Who all is attending this meet?
You've aptly put it, and those visuals speak for themselves. You can see Union Home Secretary Govind Mohan arriving at the North Block, the Union Home Ministry. There will be a very crucial meeting that is going to commence very, very soon. Remember, earlier Prime Minister Narendra Modi had vowed a decisive action against those who had killed 26 innocent people in Pahalgam. Now, of course, pan-India mock drills are going to be held tomorrow, that is the 7th of May. Earlier itself, last night, the Union Home Ministry had in fact issued a notification, informing that these drills will be conducted across 244 districts across the country. These drills are in fact being conducted to assess the effectiveness of raid warning systems, operationalization of hotline radio communication links with the IAF. They are also being conducted to test the functionality of control rooms and shadow control rooms, training of civilian students, etc. They're also, in fact, checking the provision of crash blackout measures, of early camouflaging of vital plants and installation. It's also being done to verify activation and response of civil defense services and assess the implementation of evacuation plans and their execution as well. So in view of these drills that are going to be conducted, a meeting is being held, and chief secretaries will be joining via virtual means, via video conferencing means. Of course, operationalization of air raid warning sirens, hotline radio communication links, activation and manning of control rooms, training of civilians and students on civil defense aspects, activation of civil defense services, especially warden services, will be checked.